and welcome back to Dowie's Workshop. Today, we're going to start working on a project. I want to make a type of goblet. So, I got some pieces of wood here, and we're going to glue them together. I've already drilled out the centers and put some dowel rods in. So what I want to do is add some epoxy and glue this all together, and then we can turn on the lathe. So this is going to be a two-part series, and then the next part we'll turn on the lathe. So stick around and check out part 2 to see how it turns out. So first, alright, here's my base. Here's my shaft part, handle. And then I want to come up like this into a big goblet. And then we'll turn that down and make it look all pretty. Alright, so let's glue it together. One's in there. Guess we won't have to glue that one. Okay. So let's mix up some epoxy. Alright, so this is 2-part 5-minute epoxy, part A, part B, and you just mix them 50-50. So we'll mix them up and we'll get it on there. And we want to mix these two parts thoroughly. Looks about right. Alright. Now we're going to put on our block. Spread it around here. Get some down in the hole for our dowel pin. Alright. Piece 1. Piece 2. Put some in the hole. Let's spread some on here. And I'll put this piece on. Now, the last piece. I think I'm going to need a little more epoxy. Spread out there real good. Alright. Pop this one on. Okay. Now we want to clamp this. There we go. So we're going to let that dry, and then we'll get it on the lathe and see what we can make. So stay tuned for part 2, where I turn this on the lathe. And that's all for today at Dowley's Workshop. Everybody stay safe out there, and have a great day. Bye.